What the hell is up, everyone? Welcome to English Mimics. My name is Devilman, and this is an introduction to a series called 666 Essential Bad Words for Hell. Whether you like it or not, chances are that one day you'll end up in hell. Or maybe you are already there, but you don't know it yet. Whatever the case may be, I'm here to teach you how to insult your enemies, and also make sure that you'll use proper cuss words to vent your anger while suffering in the depths of hell, and also to express your innermost feelings of hatred, disgust, and frustration. If you aren't comfortable with profanities or about to show this video to a group of 7-year-olds, I'm giving you the chance to click away. Do it now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you are still here and this video ends up offending you, tough shit. I've warned you. To make this series, I have plenty of profanity idioms and slangs to choose from. Because most of the time when you use a profanity, you are not using it literally. Shit usually isn't referring to poop, and fuck often has nothing to do with sexual intercourse when used metaphorically. For example, the phrase I used before, tough shit, just means too bad, as in too bad for you. Regardless of how you feel about swear words and whether or not yourself like to use them, they are an integral part of language. So if you're gonna learn a language and learn how to speak like a native, then it's imperative for you to understand how to swear in that language and what people mean when they use swear words. So if you're really enthusiastic about learning 4-letter words, make sure to hit subscribe and click that bell so you can stay up to date with all the latest videos. In the following episode, I'm gonna be talking about the history of swearing, as well as different types of taboo words. For now, thanks for stopping by and watching this video. See you in hell!